Your next opportunity starts with the perfect CV, a CV that looked like it was designed for you. Create a professional CV in minutes with the smartest CV builder platform. Choose from beautifully designed templates, customize every detail, and create a resume that truly stands out. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or experienced professional, everything you need is built into one powerful and easy-to-use platform. Getting started takes just one click. Browse modern CV templates designed for every career and industry. Select your favorite design and personalize it instantly. Easily edit your name, experience, education, skills, and achievements with a smooth live editor that updates your resume in real time. Customize layouts, organize sections, and create a professional CV that reflects your unique style. Once your resume is ready, download it instantly as a high-quality PDF and start applying with confidence. While creating your CV, Almi World gives you smart AI tools to make the process easier. Get instant CV improvement suggestions, generate professional cover letters in seconds, and practice with AI-powered interview questions designed for your target role. Build your perfect CV today and take the next step toward your dream career.